guys, welcome back to Cal Disaster. Today I'm going to be working on straight piping, installing the tuner. I got the Easy Lynk tuner, came in yesterday. Today we're going to be installing 5-inch straight pipe. Originally from the hit, this exhaust was bent and I broke it off over there. Today we're going to be taking this exhaust off, all the DPF, disconnect all the sensors and everything, make sure we start up the truck after. Yeah, I'll show you guys everything how to do it. So the exhaust is from the short bed truck, but this is a long bed. So I got this little pipe that I cut it out, and I'm gonna have to weld it on and then use the hubs and connect all the way and just hook it up. So stay tuned, I'll show you everything. So first thing, we're gonna take out those two bolts that hold it from the front. So these are the two bolts that we have to get rid of it. I already sprayed some W240. Have to push from both sides and then this clip should come off. Okay, and it's off. There's this sensor right here. So disconnect that one as well. So now this side is out. I'm gonna spray some W40 over here so this rubber can come off pretty easy. I don't think I have any sensor. Oh, there's one more. Actually, there's one more sensor right here. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's right over there. And there's another clip right here. It's one of the sensors. And one of the clips is over here. And then this box. So go ahead, just push this thing. Come off pretty easy. You guys disconnect 4 claims over there. This is the last one. It connects to this module, and once you go and just push it, you just pull it and it comes right out. Okay, after 20 minutes, it's about 250 pounds, I'll say. I thought I'm gonna need help, but this girl was not scaring. This girl was not helping me.
I thought you died under the
She was sitting in the truck. But yeah, this thing is all, and now it's time to install the straight pipe. Man, I'm so excited.
This thing is huge. It looks like a submarine. Oh my
Yeah.
gosh.
Imagine how much weight this thing is.
Where was it even?
It was right here.
Oh my goodness, that's big.
Yeah, it's huge. But hey, you're gonna like the sound of the nice truck now. It's gonna be like a brand new truck.
I got so scared. I was like, what am I hearing these noises?
But yeah, man, I use this rope to hold on to that bottom part, and then once I disconnect everything, I just roll down this side and pull it right out. I'm actually gonna go to my dad's, and he's gonna, because like I told you guys, I have exhaust for 6-foot bed, but this is an 8-foot bed. So this exhaust needs to be extended 2.5 inches, which I got a little pipe right here. I'm gonna cut out a little bit more, add it onto it, and weld it up. Start connecting the last part of the exhaust. So we're gonna just start putting on the bushings.
Oh, that's a little like bracket thingy.
So we got the straight pipe installed. Now you go down here, pop this panel, and I have to drill a hole, send it down a little bit so this thing can, go in, and then just gonna go straight in. You're gonna have this little wire with the switch in that little back as well. You're gonna have this nub right here and this little panel with the 1 through 5. This is how it's gonna look. Then you're gonna have to place this last piece over here. Just run the wires over there, put this panel back in, and that looks really nice. There's a switch. You can just switch it to 5. There's 2 things that I have to do right now. Once you look on the structure, you're gonna see this, and it should be where the low pressure switch is right here. You're gonna pull this little knob. You're gonna disconnect this wire, white stripe, and there's one just green, so I connect it to the clear. Well, we're gonna try to find out something. We're just gonna call them back and see what's up. Now let's go back here. And we're gonna start setting up the tuner. Once you open up, you're gonna have this 2 box. This is your holder for the phone. You got that one. And this is the main thing that we need. So first we need to connect. Once you plug this in, and you'll see there's a red light OBD connector, which is right here. Once you connect that, go to your Google and download Auto Agent. Open up, gonna allow it, and you're gonna create account. Adding all your information, you're gonna hit the let's begin. So pretty much you're gonna have to see which one you have. I have the Auto Agent number 2. That next, and then we're gonna start the process setting up. It says make sure ignition cable is connected. Read Wi-Fi. Then you're gonna go to our Wi-Fi, which is right here. You're gonna click on that. Update, and this is, so now it's gonna start. Video where we're gonna be reviewing this truck, but currently, if you guys come down here, you guys might notice there's some brackets that changed. Pretty much, we replaced the bags used to be right here, we're locating them more deeper. That's how it's supposed to be, because some of the brackets they sent us wrong. So we got the new brackets, now we installed them, and we still didn't install the shocks, but we'll do that maybe later, because I have to weld on some additional brackets to extend the shocks so it will work properly. But we got 2 pumps that are gonna be getting some air to this little tank right here, and we have a train horn in the back. I already installed that, right, which is right over here, and you can adjust it from the cap. You can inside just push the button. It's gonna be so loud. I'm gonna probably go get some guys. I need some help to get that bed from there, place it on top, put the bolts on, connect the bumper in the back, and go for a first test drive. But if we go nicely, it should be alright. Okay. I got the side. Do not move it forward. Okay, good. Okay, let's do the left. Okay. Forward. A little more. Definitely down. Oh. Almost. Okay. Much. Okay. A little bit more, yeah. There we go. I think it's good. Just put it up the bed. It turned out really nice. I set it up to the same level that I have in the front, so it's about 3.5 more inches higher. So, but this is all leveled. Right now I'm focusing on putting the bumper. As you guys saw, I installed a 5-inch exhaust straight pipe. Am I gonna have to put some kind of tip that will go more out? But yeah, let's put the bump. Maybe let's go for a spin, and I'll start up the truck and show you how it sounds. And here you go, we just installed the bumper. Matte black sensors. They're right here. You can't really see them because I customized them. So guys, we're gonna do first test drive, and I'm gonna start up and have you guys hear the exhaust. First, we're probably gonna wash this truck, and then we can, go regular straight and then final ready. Oh, it's kind of hot. It's, what is it, February 18 today, yeah. And it feels like 90
summer
degrees. I love it. Get the sunroof open up. Okay, you guys want to hear something? I showed you guys the train horn I installed, so I'm actually I'm gonna shut off the engine so you guys can hear fully. Okay. It's pretty loud. Okay, let's go.
Sounds.
Whoa, that sound! I missed my old truck. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna add. So this is the switch that I show you guys. I can pretty much add 5 levels. So I'm gonna